Okay, so we just introduced ourselves to division, and you figured that out all by yourself. We know that division is just sharing. We did that with some paper cookies and plates and did that. Now we're going to see what it looks like when we see it on our iPad. And from there, then you'll be able to make a connection with pencil paper really easily. So I've got I made this little cookie activity for us to do on the Smart, and you have it on your iPad. That's called sharing cookies. So I'm going to do a lot of the modeling first so that you can see what's going on. Go ahead and go to your first slide, or your second slide, the first one where we see. And let's see what's happening on this slide. Here we go. Let's read it together. Ready?
There were 3 children. They wanted to share 15 cookies.
How many cookies did
each child get?
The first thing I'm going to look for, if I were working this, I know every time I hear a story that I got to look for my main idea. And I know that my main idea is that I'm looking for what?
Cookies each child get.
Exactly. I'm looking for the cookies that each child will get. That's what I'm looking for. Now I know in order to get this, I've got some supporting details. One of my supporting details is that I know that there were what?
3
children. The first thing it tells me is that I had 3 children. And then I see the word that helps me out a lot, a very key word. And that key word's going to be what, guys?
Share.
Absolutely, share. And I know that we know a synonym for share, and I know that a synonym for share is to do what?
Divide.
To divide. And I'm going to write that right above it, just to help me remember. But I still have one more supporting detail. I know I'm going to need 3 children. I know they're going to divide or share something. What are they going to divide or share?
15 cookies.
Yes, 15 cookies. Now I'm going to go back and I'm going to rerun that story in my mind. And I'm going to say, oh, I see 3 kids and they come into the house after school. They run into the kitchen and there they see 15 cookies laying out. And they all want them and they can't start grabbing if they're going to share them because we want them to have equal parts. And I see those children begin. The first one takes one. The second one takes one. The third one takes one. And they do that over and over again until they share them equally. I have set up on your iPads, hopefully, that your cookies will move. We're going to see my cookies move. Yours should move as well. But here we go. I'm going to model for you. Please. Eyes on me. We're going to share these cookies. So I'm going to go to that first cookie. And I'm going to... yikes. Yikes. I forgot to... I know I got to move this to the back. Hang on. Unlock. Move it to the back. There. Well, didn't help me, did it? Where did my cookie go? There it is. Cookie.
Can you put it on top of it?
I tried to move that to the back, and it's order. It's in the back. Yes, I know. There, I got it. Okay, so that now let me do that to each one of these real quickly. Let me unlock. Let me send it to the back. Let me unlock. And let me send it to the back. Sorry, guys. I live and learn too. So I gave the first cookie to the first one, the next cookie to the next one, the next cookie to the next one. You do that first step on your iPad.
We can't do it because ours is the same thing like yours.
Then just put it underneath the plate.
Miss Thompson, we can.
You just speak in, then X out and reload. Yes, just put it below the plate for right now and I'll fix it. Put it underneath the plate. One under the first plate, one under the second, one under the third. Then show me.
Mine can do it.
Okay, thank you. So you should have 1 cookie on the first plate, 1 cookie on the second plate, 1 cookie on the third plate. Show it to me. Let me see that you've done that first step. Thank you, or either on it or below it. Beautiful. 1 cookie, sir. 1 cookie on each one. We've only done the first step. Thank you. Thank you for iPads. So I've got more cookies. I'm ready to share again. Eyes on me. I'm modeling. Here goes that cookie to that plate. That cookie to the next second child. Another cookie to the third child. You do that for me. Thank you. Beautiful. Looking good. Fabulous. Fabulous. I love how you're sharing and taking turns too. Thank you. Okay. I still have more cookies that need to be shared. Eyes on me, please. Here we go. Cookie to the first child. Cookie to the second child. Cookie to the third child. You do that step for me. Do that step. Beautiful. 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 Show me what you've got. Show me your iPad. Beautiful. I love it. I like it. I love it. I want some more of it. Very good. So I said that I had 3 children. They wanted to share 15 cookies. Did I have 15 cookies? No, I only had 9 cookies. I made a mistake on that one too. Whoopsie. Guess what? I make mistakes. Okay, so there were 3 children. They were going to share 9 cookies. They shared 9 cookies, or they divided 9 cookies, and each child got how many?
3.
Hello?
3.
Absolutely. That's what we're going to continue to do. We're going to practice division today. I made several more slides, and we're going to continue practicing our division today. Nice job.